Joining me now is Alberto Arias, founder and chairman of Sierra Metals. Alberto, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you. Thank you for the interview.
Now, some big news out bright and early this morning with Sierra Metals' Cusi mine. Why don't you walk me through what came out this morning?
Well, the announcement was very important because Cusi is one of our three mines in commercial production and the one that has, in our view, the largest potential for increasing silver resources, which is one of the strategic focus that Sierra Metals has. We've been in commercial production since early last year. We've been doing a lot of development work, and we have been able to increase our indicated resources significantly, 70%. But even more importantly, it's a significant increase in grades. We have gone up 40% in grade to around 232 grams per ton. And this is very important because grade is one of the key drivers of the profitability of a silver asset. And it's just showing the importance of our new high-grade additions to our resource volumes.
Yeah, no, these are pretty significant jumps. I mean, 70% and 40% are big numbers. Now, do you see more of these types of numbers coming out maybe in the future with the mine?
Well, this is a great silver mining district. The 43-101 that just came out has a cutoff date on the drilling results of December 31st of 2013. So we are very aggressively continue to explore, develop and drill the mine, and we've had pretty good results so far. So we think that this is a trend that potentially could continue. Remember, we have an extensive mining district here. It's been operating since the 1600s intermittently. But what is important is that since the Mexican Revolution, there hasn't been any significant production out of this area. So we are the first mining company that is actually coming up with a very serious exploration effort to bring this great silver district back into production.
Now, when we spoke at the PDAC this past year, you had said that, or you had told me that it would be a year for reinvestment for Sierra Metals. Now, it was reaffirmed in the press release this morning. You're going to be looking to invest in infrastructure and equipment at your operations. Now, can you maybe give me some specifics of what exactly you're going to be looking into?
Yeah, well, this is a very exciting development for Cusi. We are currently producing at a rate of between 400 to 500 tons per day. So this is not an exploration project. This is an operating mine. But what these results give us is a solid foundation to do a study to expand significantly this production, potentially with a new mill on site. That could have, several times the current productions. Obviously, we're working on those studies, but the studies should be ready probably by June, July of this year. So, since we already have a lot of operating data, given that we've been operating this mine, for the past 3 years, first as pilot mining and then commercial production, we can come up with those studies fairly quickly.
All right, let's wrap it up with silver prices. Now, it's been a volatile year for precious metals, especially the last couple of weeks. What are you seeing out of silver? What do you expect this year from 2014 and on?
Well, it's been very volatile, as you said. We believe that silver would probably continue to be in a range of between $20 to $24. But, our investment thesis is not predicated on expectations of a higher silver price. It would be great if we have it. But, the way we manage these companies is a real business.
Thanks for doing this today.
All right. Thank you.
And thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to send them to newsfeedback@kitco.com, or you can ask me on Twitter at @Alex_Letourneau. Have a good one.